So far this year I haven't gotten back to this new driveway project, but I think I might have just enough daylight left this year to get this done, or at least get the trees out and get it graded so the water goes where I want to. So we'll see. But this apple wood is stuff that was left over from that project last year. We're going to cut this up, this apple wood, for our camp for the winter. Now the rest of this I'm going to split, so I'm going to put it in a different spot. Now you'll notice that I cut that off at about a foot because our camp stove up there is small. So that's why. Alright, split this onto the RTV and get her done. load up the rest of that, and that's all going up to camp. So let's get her loaded. That's enough for now. We'll come back and get the rest of this probably this weekend. Done with splitting for this year, and I like to always grade up here and keep any of the standing water from laying on there. So we're going to fire up the 91 and do that right now. Alright, just showing you. Wood's in. The shed is full. I didn't video any of this fall because I wasn't sure that anybody'd really be interested in it, seeing it again. But anyway, it's done. This is the load we're going to take up to camp. Now we're going to go up and put the skid steer away and change off the splitter for the bucket. And we're done with wood this year. Now this skid steer is a 1990 New Holland, and it has this plate right here on it. Comes off with these. What it does is it converts my old machine here to a universal skid steer attachment, so I can run anything I want since I have this plate now. So it's time to get this on the hook. First thing you have to do is shut it down. Work the handle back and forth real good. Get all the pressure off of these valves. And then there's a little detent right here. And you just pop them off. Find your detent. There. And they pop off. Alright, let's unhook this baby. you can see this real good here. This is the old style that my skid steer fits. This is the plate that it hooks up under, and it hooks to here like it does on the bucket here and there. So this is basically, right here is a conversion plate. So I leave it on this splitter because I don't have any other newer attachments that I use it for. But if I ever need to, all I got to do is flip these levers up, hook up to it, and I can run anything. This is the bucket that came with this, and this is the fork tines, the pallet rack, or the pallet tines that came with it. And you can see these are all old school. Let's get this bucket on. Done up here. Round bales are in and done for this year. We had some wind today, so I've been kind of watching this tarp. We're eventually going to put a roof up there where we can stack these under the roof and leave it open in the front. Rice coal's done and in. Wood's done and in. Now, this is part of the video of tearing out the porch and the walk. These walks came up here on my dump truck and I just left them. So it's time to put them up back. So let's do that. Okay, we're gonna put these blocks, the old sidewalk panels, up here by these blocks, and I'm gonna use them for something. stinking windy today. My GoPros won't stay working. They want to blow over. Alright, wind and all, we got them from down there up here, and they're in place for now. I think I'm going to use these to back up my manure pile so I can run in with the skid steer and come up against these. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see how I can put them in if I can do that. But they're up here for now. They'll winter here good. Alright, let's go do something else.